hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surrounding green and beauty of the sun. And enjoy your stay. Stay reviews and others are available online for this hotel, along with various free plans and rating policies. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already booked this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming